Hello everyone, welcome to WoW-Fi, and today we are going to be reacting to Demon Slayers, and in the last episode we saw Muzan give a stern talking to one of the upper moons, and we saw the sound Hashua about to take Oi away. However, Tanjiro, Zetsu, and Nosuke decided to go in her stead. What's gonna happen next? Let's find out together. And if you guys enjoying the anime reaction, smash like, subscribe for more content. And what I meant to say was, they decided to go in her place. My bad. You don't get it. He knows something they don't. Listen up. No, he's not. Christ is God, obviously. Well, that's kind of mean. Drive what in? What? No. Yo! Where those J and Q weapons? What are you the god of specifically? That's a good question. Wait, Tanjiro actually believes in that? What? True, Zetsu. Yes! No, Christ is God. Zetsu understands. I'm the king of the mountain. Nice to meet you. What are you talking about? Back off, Inosuke. Let's go. Let me go come punch you. Inosuke with his temperament as ever. Let's go. Follow me. What? How fast? Whoa! That was quite fast. He's fast. Whoa, look how fast he's gone. He's no bigger than a sesame seed now. Yep, that's the sound, Hashua. UZUI, Take-san. We have to go after him, Go, go, go. Please be careful. Safe travel. Safe travels, that is to. Here we go. Listen, you three. Don't do anything that'll make you stand out. True. Zetsu! Inosuke! Come back here. Those brats! He's fascinated by the city. Hey, yellow boy, stay where you are. This is... it's not daytime though. That's the red light district. A worship vanity, a desire... What? Whoa. Where is he going? Huh? Oh my gosh. Bro, no, no. No, don't do it. Of course it is. Of course it is. Ha! The sound Hashua just snapped it back into his senses. Take a good look. Okay, we're looking. Yep. At night it sparkles and dazzles. The ideal place for a... That is true. Oh no, that's so sad. Ah, I see. Wisjuya. Open sesame. Now listen up. Okay. Alright, they're eating rice cake. I told you not to mess with us, huh? Where did he get that idea? No, I'm going to have my say. Zenitsu, chill! Oh, you have no idea, Zenitsu. You got no idea. If you know what I mean. Oh! Inosuke is eating as usual. What is he eating? We don't know. I have 3 of them. What? He's got 3 wives? Why does he have 3? Oh! That's gotta hurt. He's unconscious. The letters, they keep reminding you not to stand out when you come, right? True. Very true. So what are we going to do exactly? I don't know. Oh, they're gonna go into... Wait, what? Wait, no. Oh, the ninjas. I'm sure the district will be the perfect place for the demons. Inosuke! That's out of line. So, the Sound Hashua owns that house. Interesting. So, are they gonna cross-dress or something? I'm not sure. Okay, that's a good eye catcher. My, now these 3 are certainly... Oh my gosh! Cross-dressing. I don't like it. Highly discouraging. True. Then please take one. Of course they're attracted to that Sound Hashua. Hey! Tejiro's employed. How is it their fault? Whoa. I'm not talking to you, alright? Where is Inosuke going? Wait, what is he mad about? It's that face! Good point. He is kind of handsome. Hey, over there, a bunch of people swarming around. Okay. They're walking very slowly. Oyen Parade. Tokito's house. Oh yeah. That is a little flashy. What the heck, Zenitsu? Bro, he's always yelling at everything. Oh! How did they not hear him? How did they not hear the conversation? Huh? Hey, mister. Is that a light? Hey, so you're... Okatabato House Chaperone. If she's caught the eye of the uncomfortable house, I couldn't be more thankful. That's a good stroke of luck. Oh please, I have a sure eye for these things. He is the only leftover. Rejected. What do you think? They plastered her face in a bizarre way, but now look at her. That's not a... Okay. Now that's some determination. That's impressive. She's got a point there, I guess. Koi Kyogoku house. What's this? What is he gonna do now? Is he gonna pop off? Yo! Solo! Guitar solo. She's dynamic. Did she join us recently? She has a good ear. He is mad. Hey! That's not nice. Zenitsu is a very handsome guy. Thank you. Okay. You know what? I can tell that girl is too rise to the top. Oh, she's got an eye for something. He's gonna work hard. He's very well entrenched in this. That is true. The husband is right. There's no use in lashing out. Wow, he's very strong too. Oh no! That is a little scary. You gotta be careful around that, you know. That is a little scary. What is ashinuke? That is a lot of baggage indeed. It is. Yes, he is. Oh, the gifts. That's cool. Oh, that's what it means. Sorry, I don't speak Japanese. Is that right? Okay. Suma? That's Uzi-san's wife. After all, nobody knows if she really ran away or not. Suma commits ashinuke. That's a good question, Tanjiro. He just heard the rumors is all. She has her guard up. That's impressive. That's kind of sus, don't you think? Tsurumoin is my niece, uncle, something. Sister. Anagi, older sister. Yeah, that's pretty good. Tanjiro is so honest, he couldn't assume a normal expression when he lies. So you were. I couldn't believe that Suma-chan would commit. She is a grounded girl. But they found her diary. Sorry. That's so shocking, it made me burp. How convenient is that for demons? Even if someone were to vanish, people would only assume, true, very true. I pray that you're safe. We're going to rescue you, no matter what, Suma. Now that's good. Very good, highly encouraging. Tanjiro's got that determination and will in him, and it's an amazing thing to see, you know? It's so fantastic. That is absolutely insane. All quiet today, too. Makiko-san. But she won't go to the hospital. Makio? That's Uzi's wife. Name mentioned. Like that would stop her from checking in? Very strange. Inosuke knows what's up. Something's wrong. Go take a look. Inoko-chan. Yo, what is that? What is all this? No! It's the wife of the Sound Hashiwa! She got captured! Oh no! 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 Is she okay? She's bleeding! Poor Makio. I feel bad for Makio. Huh? What is he on about? Taisho secret! In spite of himself, Zenitsu's thieves have taken a true. Huh? But I heard that they're really doting on you over there. Is that right? That I've already aspired to become the #1 Oyan in Yoshia. No. What happened? Episode 3. What are you? Zenitsu, is he okay? Zenitsu! Is Zenitsu okay? Oh man, I hope he gets back up. And that's going to do it for me today. Thank you guys for watching this anime reaction video. If you enjoyed it, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to reach 21,000 subscribers before my birthday. Support towards this goal is much appreciated. I also upload daily. And until the next one, have a great rest of your day.